I gonna do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Attack.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers, man. I don't know the thing, but I don't know it's a new link there and from New Link Production, giving thanks to life as usual on a daily basis. So people, right about now, I tell us some tough news I reach New Link, you understand, and it's about the passing of reggae icon Bob Andy and John Star. Bob Andy is one of the greatest musicians ever come out of Jamaica, people. One of our veteran musicians who carry the reggae music up to now, from them days there, from all its to rock steady, and you know what I mean, it's just sad to know that Bob Andy has passed away this morning. Them say sometime after 8 a.m. in the morning, people, and they say he was ailing from a sickness from a very long time, which I wasn't aware of, you know what I mean. So it's just really sad to know that the icon has passed away, people, and this man has, them say, is one of the greatest songwriter out of Jamaica ever. Many people would classify him and say he is the best songwriter out of Jamaica ever. And you know what I mean, it's just sad people to know that, you know. But I guess, you know, it's just the time, and as when we say, when it's your time, it's just your time, you know. And at the time, people, he was 75 years old. He would have celebrated his other birthday in October, which would make him be 76. So he was 75 years old. He was born in 1944, you know, a very long time and things still, you know. But yo, just sad people, because Bob Andy was a really cool reggae icon. I think I saw him one time perform on a show already. That's the Ailing Star Time show, you know what I mean, with Future, most of the veteran artists and people. And John, this man was such a good performer, very strong performer and thing. And you know what I mean, just hope his soul rest in peace. And I just want to send out my deepest condolences to all of the family of Bob Andy, from his children to fellow producers, fellow artists around him, fellow members of his band, and everybody, his whole team, people. I know they've been mourning right now, because it's just sad. And you know, in a time like now where we see the big old COVID-19 taking over the world, and you know what I mean, damaging so much people's life, and to know that we lost an icon in this way, just sad people, you know what I mean. But news hasn't reached New Link and the full cause of the sickness, what he was ailing from, you know. News will reach New Link, say he was ailing from a sickness from a very long time now and things. So, you know what I mean, just sad people, and may his soul rest in peace, you know. Bob Andy, rest in peace. Your music fly high, brother, you know what I mean. And you know, as I say, to experience to be taken for a, yeah man, Bob Andy sing that, man. So you can go type in him on YouTube and you will see several different tracks from him. If you don't know Bob Andy as young people, you will know him now. So you don't know anything of viewers and subscribers, man. This is New Link from New Link Production, and we say attack, enough love, enough respect. And if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now and hit that bell notification icon, so when New Link drop a video, you will get them. And remember, follow me on IG, New Link _production, official, Facebook, New Link Production, Twitter, New Link Production. Blessings, peace out, respect, God.
What them I gonna do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Attack.